Hey beautiful people, it has been a while, but I am back today. I'm sorry I've been away for so long, but I started a new job and it has taken up a lot of time just trying to, figure things out. But don't go anywhere because I have some great things coming up soon. It's almost my birthday. My birthday is February 13th. And I plan to do something really special. So I have some fantastic DIYs coming up behind that. Can't show them yet because I don't want to give anything away, but I will be having those. But anyway, today I am doing some unbagging. I don't have any boxes, but I have these bags that just came in. And I've had so many of them, but I just decided to let you guys see what I got today. So, really excited about one of them. But anyway, let's start on the first one. I already started opening it, then I was like, let me do a video. So, this one, I think this is something I ordered off eBay. So, oh yeah, okay. So I could have made these myself, but I have so much going on, I decided not to. These are from a company called Sparkles. Really inexpensive, but they have some great items. And these are just napkin rings. Let's see. Can you see that? Let me see if
What you doing?
It comes with 50 in a pack. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, I like those. I wish they had a little stretch to it. They don't really have any stretch, so I have to make sure they do not break. No give. I didn't expect that. I thought they would have like some stretch in them, but I'll make them work. Birthday party stuff. And yeah. Alright, let's see. Alrighty, so I'm really happy because I see from the bag exactly what this is. I had this company to contact me and, so I'm happy about it. So let me see what I got. Alrighty, I was struggling for a minute, but I got it. Let's see. Okay, so I don't know if any of you recognize this bag and this brand, but I'm really excited about it. It says, yay, you've received your yummy 30-day detox pack. And let's see. Okay, so this is like a little instruction booklet that tells you exactly how to use everything. So what I have is I have some detox tea, and this comes from a company called Teami. So it says you use 1 tea bag every other night, allowed to steep before drinking. Cool. Okay, so this is like a colon cleanse, and one is called Alive, and this one has ginger and honey in it, which I love, and it's supposed to just help you have more energy, mental clarity, just help you feel better. So I'm gonna try these. Yeah. And in another video, after I try them, I'm gonna come back and let you guys know how it was. And okay, they sent me a cute little tumbler with the teeny on it. It's really, really cute. I think that's a nice little photo up. So I'm really, really, really excited about this. All right, so I'm gonna put that back in there. I think I'm gonna put it to use tonight for my first try and just see how it works and how I feel in the morning. And I'm gonna give you guys an update. Just give me about, 1 or 2 weeks to just really try it out and see. All right, so let's see what's next. Okay, so it's the last package. And for real, y'all, I can't even remember what I done bought. So we're gonna see. We're going to see. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, yes, it closed. Let's see. I hope it's something cute while I'm opening it on on camera. I don't know, I don't lost a great deal of weight, and my clothes are a lot smaller, but this is a really small package, Let's see. Okay. Okay, I remember what this is. I hope it's as cute as it was when I saw it. This is like, it's supposed to be like a camel type texture, and it's a skirt and top, and I'm not going to try it on camera just in case it don't fit. But I'm excited about it. Okay. Oh, it looks big though. It looks big, don't it? Okay. Well, if it's too big, I can have it altered. That's better than it being too small. So, and there's the skirt. Okay, the skirt looks right. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see. Rip that. I guess I can't send it back. Oh, this is just like a little maxi dress. Okay. Like for real, it's not all that cute. It's kind of thin, and I think, to be honest with y'all, I ordered this off of one of those Facebook links. It was probably like the Rotita or one of those companies. And I was like, it's cute. I'm going to try it out. This one, and I've ordered stuff offline before, and it works really good. The material, on the other stuff I bought, the material was thick and really nice. But this one, I could see right through it. Y'all can't even see my face while I'm doing that. I know, but yeah, I can see right through it. So I'll definitely have to wear something under it. I know you can't fully tell what it looks like, but some of the stitching is like kind of crazy. So I'm a little disappointed with this one, but it may look better once I put it on. So we'll see. I might try this one on for y'all. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try it on, and if it look okay, I'll come out and let y'all see it. If you end up not seeing it in this video, it wasn't cute. Okay. All right. So, why are you laughing at me? Let's see. Oh, I don't like how this feels either.
What is it?
Oh, no, ma'am. Look how little it is. Okay, that's extra big. This is extra little. And they're all the same size. I'm so mad. Okay, so this is supposed to be like a little maxi dress too. With like, and then it's short. Look how short it is. Okay, so let me just stand up because this is like, ugh. The picture, the dress is supposed to go all the way to the floor and it's supposed to be form fitted and it flares out. But as you can see, this is not gonna be fitting on me at all. Though I've lost weight, I still have these hips and this butt. I don't know who's wearing this. And look how short it is. Aww. Either. But anyway, on another note, I am so happy about my tea. And I'm about to go steep me some to try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and say bye. Until next time. Love you guys.
Where is Mom? Oh, there you are. Oh. Really?
Anyway, this is the dress. And it fits okay, but I don't know, it looks like a little liturgical outfit.